How to link WhatsApp to another phone. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link or log into the same account into a new phone or a different phone. On the first phone, make sure that you're already logged in into the main account of your WhatsApp Messenger. And then say this is going to be the new phone that you're going to be logging in. Once you've successfully downloaded WhatsApp Messenger, just simply open it. Then from here, just simply choose on agree and continue. Now you'll be redirected into this field right here that says enter your phone number. You're gonna have to choose on the three dots at the top right, and then choose on link as companion device. Now, once you're provided with a specific QR code, you're gonna just need to follow the specific instruction below onto the main phone by going into the menu. And then for Android, you can go into settings, and for iPhone, it's gonna be the same. And then choose on link devices, and then link a device by scanning this QR code that will be provided into you onto the another or the new phone. And that's basically it. That's how you link WhatsApp to another phone.